The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's ready for a great week. See what the markets did overnight here in just a minute as I move my windows around there. Get everything in place. Places, everybody. There we go. Okay. Market dipped and ripped. ES just recently high a day as it hit its 100 EMA on the hourly chart. 41.56, we dipped down to 41.33, so that's about a 26 points in range. And Q, same move pretty much. Low is 13.014, its high was 13.096. It's not that big of a range for NQ. ES seems like it has a bigger range. About 84 points, 82 points, something like that. Kappa rejected off of 4 even. And we have about, it's only 60 ticks of range there. Gold. Not able to reclaim 2,000 yet. Looks like I moved, there we go. We have about only 11 points in range. No one's talking yet. You all are hearing me, right? Audio says it's coming through, just making sure. Ultra Bond. Less than a point in range. Seems like it was pretty slow overnight. Crude oil dipped and ripped. About 120 ticks. And natural gas. Boom. Only about 50 ticks range. Bitcoin fell over the weekend. Down to 27.5. That's where we sit stand. Hey Nick, how you doing? And we're seeing the market just make a quick move down there. It's 5 points, but quick nonetheless. Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Hope you like your in-laws. Afternoon, Jay. always keeps you guessing, huh? Yes. Oh, big pop back, right back up. I installed my new router slash modem from Comcast this weekend, and my upload speed is now 10 times what it was. So I was getting about 11 Mbps. Now I'm getting about 118. So it should provide a less laggy um, stream. We'll see, but it should be good. No, they just sent me the modem. I had to actually like set it up myself. But I did a speed test, and the speed test is showing the increased speeds. Actually, even before I did this in the last month or so, I only had like one time where it dropped out on me during a stream. So it seems like I've seen a couple times where they sent notice that they were going to be working in the area in the overnight hours, and you might see outages. So I think they might have fixed whatever was going on that was constantly seeing me have dropouts. But it is Comcast, and they have no competition in this area, so it's not a high priority thing for them. Well, I mean, I guess technically T-Mobile's competition now. T-Mobile internet, 5G internet is around here, but I'm not sure I would want to rely on that. So pop back up here. I also seem to increase my download speed as I believe my plan, I'm only supposed to get 300 download, and I'm getting like 470. There you can. Oops. There you can see my speed test. 470 down, 112 up right now. So I'm a happy ox right now as far as that goes. Bopping up here. This is a bullish engulfing above the 100, back above the 20. Bigger candle. Do have some news coming up at 7:30, but I don't think it's majorly market moving. Say that 5 times fast. Majorly market moving, majorly market moving, majorly market moving. That's as hard as I thought. We're in long. Oops. I went the wrong way. Not what I wanted to do. I meant to do this. Don't think it's gonna matter. Oh, there we go. See if it pops back up. Stops at the bottom of that candle. The candle ended up being a 6.5 point candle. See if it pops back below that 20. That nails me, or if it comes back up on me, for me. It's giving it away. When you give it away, when you give it away. So I took a couple trades on other accounts last night. Took a trade on corn for $137 profit. Two ticks of stop. Oh, there we go. There's their stop. Excuse me 1 second. It's back. And we're just hanging here at the 20 and 100. Took our first loss of the morning. Hey, Chris. I mean, corn. It's just, I mean, whatever they use corn for, whether it's food or whatever. It's just basically it's the, price that people are willing to buy the bushels from the farmer. It's corn futures contract. The contract is for, let's see, corn futures contract. Uh, Up and down here. The contract's for 5,000 bushels. Kind of chopping around, yeah. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. We'll wait for our next entry. Hmm. It's a purple candle. But the way this is chopping in this area, I'm not real comfortable with it. Cat's saying hello. Not sure if you heard him or not. Chopping and bopping here. Morning, JC. I tell you, after more analysis over the weekend, I think I'm really close to wanting to switch to the 5-minute chart. It's so much less work for looks like better returns. Trying to find chop a little better on the 1 minute, which is why I didn't take this trade, but it looks like I should have taken this trade. But we were so choppy, so I was trying to stay out of that chop. But 5-minute is so much clearer, even for chop. That corn trade I took last night, that was off its 5-minute chart. I was in that trade, corn does not usually move fast in the evenings, and it didn't. I was in the trade for like 4 hours and, made 137 bucks. But, I made it off the 5-minute and it was pretty clear. Oops, sorry. I got stuff on the screen there. Sorry about that. Get rid of this for now. There we go. This was my corn trade last night. We'll turn back time. You can see how slow it was moving. But I entered here off of this break of the 100 on this candle. Actually, well, smart. I put in a limit order, and it popped back up to the price of the closing price of this candle. You can see there was a gap there. But I put in a limit order. It popped back up and failed me. And it was just a slow grind. And I ended up exiting here as it started trying to push back up. Well, not that late, somewhere around. Yeah, oh yeah, here as it was starting to push back up towards that 20. I mean, it was only, it was 11 ticks because corn has the same tick value as ES. But nice calm little trade. Have I been awake? I wasn't. This has been a nice rise up. Oh, big move down. So by not taking this because of chop, I did probably screw myself. But hey. Maybe not. Maybe it looks better than what it is. We'll see. I mean, I can't say that the 5 minute chart will be it'll be more time in the markets for me. Let's see, do I have the right? Yeah, I do. Okay. For me, I'll be going for a 2-to-1 if I'm using the 5 minute, and you can see like this is from Thursday, and I mean this I would have ended up being in the market. This trade would have been 3 hours long. This trade would have been half an hour long. This one would have been about a half an hour long. So it's actually more time in the market, but this trade right here from Wednesday would have been about an hour and a half long, or hour and 15. Morning, Matt. How's Matt today? Hey, Deb, how you doing? So, but yeah, like if I bring up my spreadsheet now, I got a little lazy over the weekend. I did not. I have it all charted out. I just didn't add up my numbers on the 1 minute chart. But last week on the 5 minute chart, um, I would have had 16 trades, 11 winners, 5 losers, and a total of 30, 230, 245, 345, 350. About 355 total points. Assuming I traded perfectly and it caught every entry. Hey, Leonardo. So, 355 points obviously is, I don't know, $7,000. And that's using a 2-to-1, you know, and obviously a 1.5 might take a couple losses away, but a 2-to-1 seems to be the best. We do have a tad bit of news. Tad bit of news. Two tad bits, actually. Hey, I'm Mad. Good to see you. We have Chicago National Activity Index. Don't think that's going to move the market, but it does come up in 8 minutes. And then at 10:30, we have the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. So, yeah, nothing earth-shattering today, which is good because I will know how to put back together a shattered Earth. But we do have good news, or I shouldn't say good news. We do have high-quality news the rest of the week. It's not considered red folder. Maybe yours is only does, what they call red folder, the most important. The juice lists everything. I recommend Financial Juice. I really like it. We got the juice. We got the juice. That purple candle would have stopped me out. Maybe coming alive. Oh, yeah. Wow. It's alive. It's alive. Sorry. Thank you. Giving us a signal here. We're trying. Let's see what happens. 4 to 5 seconds on this one. Hey, Philip. How's it going? Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Uh, I'm in on this trade, but I got in late. My script doesn't automatically enter the ones that don't turn color. So I was late on the trigger. Let's see if it hurts me. Yes, yes it is. I mean, hopefully it makes the stream much better. No lag. So why did I take this one and not this one? Here we were still kind of choppy. Here we finally we got away from down from the chop, and then kind of bounced back up. See whether or not it was worth it, or if we're still just going to chop around. There we go. Now we're getting a blue candle. That gives me a little more confidence. I'll have a blue. Yep. Ah, there went the confidence. We got stopped out again. So 0 for 2 in the morning. Alright, folks, both MightyOx and Apex, both still running those 90% sales. They'll be running it for another week up until through the end of next Monday, assuming that they actually end. And if you don't want to have to deal with the intraday drawdown, we can get you 70% off on Bull and for their end of day. Yep, 1 minute till the news. We'll see if that does anything. And we have that other news in a couple hours. Yeah, I saw the Tigers weren't doing well, John. Sorry to see that. Oh, good morning, John. I'm sorry I missed your good morning earlier. Yeah, Phillies beat the Rockies, which they should beat the Rockies. Now they got a tough schedule coming up. See if they've turned things around or if this is just an illusion. So news did not really move the market, at least hasn't yet, which is kind of what I figured. Kansas City's right there too, John. I guess there's really 5 right now if you want to, because the Cincinnati Reds and um, Miami Marlins can be probably included in that conversation. I'm shocked at how well the Pirates have started off the year, though. There's so much chop. That is one big wick. One big wick. Ha. So even the 5 minute doesn't really look smooth this morning. We all see all these up wicks, down wicks, wicks in the mix. Let's try it again. And back down. So choppy Monday so far. We're lacking direction. Doesn't know what it wants to do with his life. I know that feeling. Nice, Chris. My Sixers swept the Nets, but don't know how long Joel will be out, which sucks. Not that I follow basketball at all. I know nothing. I mean, I shouldn't say I know nothing. I know some, but not something I follow most of the time, except for what I see on Twitter of other Philly sports like Twitter accounts I follow. That's how I am with everything besides baseball, really. The only football game I watch all year is the Super Bowl. And I mean, I don't even watch the playoffs or hockey or basketball. All I watch is baseball, really, except for the Super Bowl. He used to be big into NASCAR. Don't really follow that anymore. I think we are going to come down here now. So a good setup for down. Not on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute, that was a good setup. I'm looking for 10 points here. Let's see where we get them. So chopper. So chopper now. Sorry, that was probably annoying. The other news we have this week, besides the regular economic reports that come out each week, or each month, whatever. So we do have some major tech earnings coming out this week that could move the markets. Hello, Mindset. How are you doing today? Welcome to the stream. We're still choppy. About 20 minutes to the top of the hour, 50 minutes till the bell. See what crude's doing. Nice little dip down. Dip, 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 dip. Ultra bond still moving. Ultra bond's choppier in a big way. Bigger way, I should say. Copper with a nice move down to the pop there. Once you pop, you can't stop. Oh, sorry, still got my NinjaTrader chart up. Y'all gotta tell me if chart's up and I'm not in a trade. Clear that out of the way, because it looks kind of sloppy when it's up, but don't know how to set it up any better. And another trying again to pop up there. Oops. Yeah. Wow, quick rise back up. Big candle here. Quick rise up. Quick rise up. Are we rising up? Not sure where this came from. Wow. So you can see it's shining it back up over here. 45 minutes to the bell. Seen this quick rise up here. ES kind of did the same. Yeah, we're still kind of bursting up here. Not sure what decided to light a fire under the market. But in about 8 minutes, we've gone up. It's still less than 20 points, but still, considering how choppy and slow we were, it's a pretty big move. Pretty big move. But here's the drop, pulling back some now. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. You see it pulling back after it got extended. Everyone got so quiet. Continue to wait for our setup. Wait for some setup. Guess we're out of the chop now, technically. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. She wasn't kidding. And this comes down, it's gonna pop back up. And we'll start coming down. So that meteoric rise up, oh, it's not, can't decide. See where we go from here. We touched 13,096. Back here we touched. Really? That was a double? That doesn't look like a double top to me. Does it? Really? It can't be. 13,096. Oh yeah, double top, just off by 2 ticks. So that looks low. So much lower than that one. Optical illusion. I mean, this is high day. Back to high day on NQ. ES not quite. Got up to 41.56 last hour. Continuing to wait for our opportunities for a nice move up, but it really didn't give us any signals on that nice move up. Oh for 2 in the morning so far. But not devastating losses. Alright, good luck, I'm mad. Ooh, nice little burst. $98, new high. Kind of watch it trying to grind up here. We are just a couple minutes from the top of the hour. Yeah, that was guessing that I'm mad since I didn't see a signal on my side there. Got up to 99. Cool. Now you trying that in sim, or are you doing that on your eval? That's what I figured, but I thought I'll ask. Teasing you there, I'm at getting up to 99.5. It's trying to send me a signal here. Small little candle. Went away. Went away, went away. Again, teasing IMAT by hitting 99.25. Yeah, but IMAT won at 101, so not close enough for him. That said, it's ain't over till the fat lady sings. Uh, how's everybody else doing out there? Everyone else seems quiet this morning. Wake up. It's Monday. It's springtime, even if it doesn't feel like springtime here in Decatur, Illinois. Got down to like 29 degrees last night. And there's another. It's attempting to give me a bullish engulfing. Minute and a half until the top of the hour. Morning, Ace. How was the weekend? Take this candle if it stays. Everybody in your house feeling better, Ace? Good. Glad to hear that. Stopped out. 0 for 3 this morning. So far, so good. Swear, I'm going to stop trading on Mondays. Yeah, that was a rogue green in the middle of 5 reds. I shouldn't have taken that one. It was floating well above the 20. The you know we were seeing downward movement. I fell for the one green candle out of in the middle of 6 red candles. Hi, Rallo. No, I haven't done a Monday evening stream in months. I don't know if I'll ever bring that back. We'll see. I kind of like having my evenings just kind of free. We'll see though. I mean, like last night, it was hard to find anything decent to even trade on NQ. I did my, like I said, I did a corn trade, but that corn trade lasted 4 hours. Last night, the best thing to trade would have been crude oil. That dipped nicely. I'm trying to come back up. That was interesting there, Chris. So we had that nice move up. Unfortunately, no signals during it. And I fell for the one coming down. There's a purple. Purple nurple. See if it holds. If it holds, yeah, if this purple candle holds, we'll put a target. I mean, depending on the size that the candle ends up being, we'll put a target for the 100 EMA there. Chart's ready to go. Turn on entry bot. Oh, pull back there though. Looks like we will not. Nope, that's back to green. Green, green. $24 minutes to the bell. Now it's trying to come back down again. Just kind of hanging here in the 20. It's trying to give us a blue. Blue. I can't go without you. Nope. Went away. Does not know where it wants to go. I don't know where I'm going. I only know where I've been. Very choppy morning. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop makes traders drop. More like traders' accounts drop. ATR still under 4. How slow we've kind of been. There's a rise up. All at 5 points, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. Hey, trade golf. I saw the Lulu specials. I think I'm I don't know, I just have more of a preference for Bolinox and Apex, which are both running 90% sales. Nothing wrong with Lulu. I just they seem more gimmicky. That said, I am a Lulu affiliate, so if anyone's interested in Lulu deals, I'll be happy to give you my affiliate link. Hey Sid, how you doing? Seen the pictures of your car on Facebook at the event. Hello. Yep, it looks like you can chat. How's it going? Awesome, Ace. Getting a blue candle here. Let's see if it holds. Awesome. Hope that goes well for you, man. Is it cold up there? I'm assuming it is, considering it's cold down here in Illinois. We're in on this very tiny blue candle. I put the stop down there at the EMA. Here comes for me again. There we go. Over 4 in the morning. We're doing great. Downward direction chop, Nick, is why I didn't take that last blue one. It wouldn't have worked anyway because, normally I'm going for 10 points on a small candle. Back down. That's interesting. Now, this should have triggered, but it didn't because I forgot if it stops out on a candle that ends up being a trigger candle, it doesn't take it. I've been perfect setting the target for the 100 EMA. So my bot screwed me there. Were you treadmill trading again there, Nick? Were you on your treadmill? Perfect bounce on the 100. I mean, I don't know, it could still break, but this was a beautiful right down to the 100. Louise, it's probably a little hard for you to get used to that cold, considering you're normally in Florida and Texas. We're trying to break the 100 here. Yeah, I figured as much. Seen any moose yet? Oh. So we are like 12 minutes till the bell. Thought I was going to get a trigger there. Decided not to. Well, Friday was an excellent day. Today's starting off not so excellent, but we'll see what happens. Still plenty of time. Did you like it? I've never had it. Yep, still coming down. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Oh, I'm focused. I chat all the time, but definitely have good luck with your meeting. Let us know how it goes as much as you can without violating the NDA. So it's giving this all back. All right, good luck, golf. Makes sense. Down here where we bounced several times. 71, 71. It just hit 73. What's the bell coming up in 7.5 minutes? That's why. Big bounce. Big blue candle bounce. Hey, Crypticon. How are you doing today? Alright, why? Did not fix your account? I moved down here. 5 minutes before the bell. I took that short, but holy slippage. Got in 2 points late. Have the target set to that support area. Actually, there. See if we can get it. Setting it to support only because that's where it's bounced a couple times and because we're 5 minutes to the bell and I want to be out of this trade before the bell. Does not seem to want to. Well, there's a little. There's a nice burst down. We're 6-6 for my target. Yep, not going to give it to me. We'll hold it to 1 minute before the bell. Darn it. Back up. Oh, push it back down. Push it back up. It's getting all wonky already. That looks like a bounce. Maybe not. Maybe. It's all whippy. Whip that hair. Trying again for a push down here. Right before the bell. It's 1 minute till the bell. We're out. Picked up all of 1 tick. Yay. Ding 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 a ding ding there. Well, if I had held, I would have got my target. Big move down there. Down to 67. ES is going up. So well, we have opposite directions right now in ES and in Q. ES strong. 3 points. And Q trying to bounce. Well, intermittent fasting's a good thing, Crypticon. You'll start autophagy. Big move down. I still suggest you talk to Nick, Crypticon. Sorry, trade golf. Bouncing here. Uh, Are you using a regular credit card there, correct? Nick, are you here? If you are, have you had anyone successfully use your credit card, your site, and successfully use a credit card lately? Crip said he had a problem trying to sign up, and it wouldn't take his card. That was a big candle back up, 22 points. That was the move Trade Golf was waiting for. It just dipped to more than I think he expected it to dip. Of course, I'm speaking for him without even knowing what's in his mind, so that was wrong. We dipped down to 54, then now we're all the way back into the 80s. It's quite the wick over there on the 5-minute. Ah, there's the rise up. Just hit 98. Quite the turn on the dime there. Wow, boom, through 100. That was the move IMAD was waiting for earlier. Crypt, I'll get with Nick and to see if we can get things figured out. Probably next week, though, because he said he's going to be spending time with his in-laws this week. Getting all weird and wonky here. It's a great move up. Got up to 105. Now pulling back. Back under 13,100. IMAC, he says they did not. Still rising up. Wow, look at this rise up now, 115. I'm at check Discord. Still rising up. Oh, you stayed in that trade the entire time, or did you get out and back in? Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I figured you probably didn't stay through that whole move, but I thought wasn't sure what that new strategy was, so didn't want to assume. Still rising. Whoa, that's a big blue candle. 20-point candle that I am not taking. So up to 13131. There we go. Oh, the 20-point candle. More if you count the wick, which I do. You see, this would have very extended to the upside. It ended up being 19, really? Doesn't seem right. 12575, got that one right. Okay, yeah. So I would have needed for my strat 110. Take a guess. Oh, that's not even. 118 ticks. So almost 30 points. Good luck, I'm mad. Nice, Chris. And we seem to be holding back down here. Did you hit your target there? I'm at. I see it hit 134, but I wasn't sure if that was like before or after you entered. We're getting a blue candle here. This is still kind of overextended, but I'll go with this as long as it isn't a 20-point candle. Nope, did not hold. It's kind of chopping around 125 right now. Blue candle. We are ready. Pulling back. This is going to be a very slight blue candle. I don't know how much I like that. Oh, maybe not as slight now. But we're in. Not feeling good about this. Looks like it's coming. Oh, well, maybe not. Nope, not feeling good. Mondays, man, I swear. Mondays. I gotta stop trading on Mondays. think it might be Mondays without news that really suck. Pushing back down to the 20. Popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Break of the 20. Watching and waiting. Looking for hopefully some opportunities here to get some back. We're executing the plan. There's been no trades here that haven't executed the plan. Just the plan sucked today. Getting a blue candle. Let's see if it holds. Nope, did not hold. Work. He's trying to bounce back up, but there's no clean signals today. Best signal is the one my bot screwed me out of. Back there. So we're hoping we do have another bit of moves in about half an hour, about 35 minutes actually. But I don't expect it to be anything huge. We'll see. We have a little over an hour to go in the stream. See if we get anything good. Tell me something good. Sorry. And we're coming back down. So, mm, mm, mm. Alright, back up. Not much going on right now. Crude oil made a nice move there. Really nice move. Big boom there off that blue candle. Natural gas rising as well. Ultra bond has been choppy but rising up. Gold falling, kind of with spikes though. Let's see what's NQ doing here. Oh, NQ's trying to send a blue candle. See if that holds. Oh, beaten down here at the last second. Well, the last 10 seconds. Ooh, that spiked at the last minute. Last second, sorry. Ace says Ace gotten his 2 points yet today. Well, I understand the world stops spinning if Ace doesn't get his 2 points. Purple candle. We're in like Flynn on that purple. The 6.5 point. I don't have time to, may not have time to move the target. No, I just did it backwards, didn't I? Yes, I did. Why do I keep doing that? There we go. Oh, target's at where it's supposed to be anyway. Actually, it's a little further than it needs to be. So we'll do that. Hope for the best. Show you that 100 EMA is sitting at 94. So hopefully we get down to there. Ouch. Well, that doesn't sound good. Well, it sounds like it's recover. Is it recovering? Your algo recovering? Is that what you're saying? Or I'm confused there, John. Come on, just get down. Get down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Target hit. Finally a good win on the day. Looks like we got 9 and yeah. Why can't I do math anymore? 9.25. And literally got me by bottom tick. It hit my target and didn't go any further. Or maybe it went one tick further. Now it's trying. Now it's, well, yeah, there it goes. Thank you, John. I really like that setup. We're coming down and tried to come back up, failed. Tried to come back up, failed. Boom. Breaking the 100. So yeah, it went down nicely here. Now, see the next item up for bid, or wait for our next trade. And I'm gonna bounce there. How's everyone else doing out there today? Yep. Reminder that 90% sale, both Apex and Bowenox option one only, is going on for another week. If you want option two, the end of day option for Bowenox, there's a 70% off code for that. All current prop firm discounts are always listed on the MightyOxTrading Discord. We continue to fall here. Got down to 54. Our overnight low is well below that though, 14. The sale goes until May 1st, Crypticon. Here's my Bowlinox link. And the code says MOT90 or MOT70. Thank everyone for supporting me. And Nightbot just posted the Apex link. That is Matt LaRocco's link and code. I post that up as a thank you for all he's done for me. We're getting a purple candle here. It's a purple candle time. Barney candle, maybe. Superly duper. Ooh, big candle. This is a scary candle. Very scary candle. This could destroy my day. Or make it. How far down is this? Looking for 51. What was our low? 54. We'll see if it gets down there. We might adjust. Seeing it hit the 100 on the 5. Let's hope it can break through that. Right now you see it bouncing right off of it. Not liking this right now. Okay. Back in the green. Back in the saddle again. Struggling to break that 100 on the 5. You're right there. Can it break through and continue its move down? Torture. That's what this is torture. There we go. Last 4 candles have almost been equal in size. Up, down, up, down. Just doesn't want to break that 100 here. You can't see the 5-minute chart, but here, let me take that away. You can see the 5-minute chart over here, and it's bounced off that 100 EMA now twice on 2 5-minute candles, several times technically on the 1-minute chart. But on the 5-minute chart, it keeps just bouncing there, won't break, and now it looks like it might want to head up. Yep. We're going to take a big loss here. Yep. We're 2 points away from stop. Ooh. Kind of bounces off the 20. Got 5 ticks from my stop originally. Still trying here though. And here it comes again, and it's torturing me. Cat playing with a mouse. Now we're stopped out. So big loss now today. We've pretty much given back Friday, which is, normal. If I had progress, I would be shocked. Watch it bounce off the 100 on the 1 and head back down. I should have got out when it kept bouncing on that 100, but it's not something I tested. So I stuck with my original plan. I'm starting to think I need to go with my gut on things, and here we come again. I'm not going to take this. No, okay, we stopped out on that candle, so it didn't take the trade. Yeah, my gut said get out here, and my gut said not to take that loss up there, and both times I was right. Hey, Jake. So I forgot to show my trade here, but I did take a order off of that purple candle, but this time I set my target. You can see here where my target was at the bottom of these wicks, and we just hit it, and now it's coming back up. So it was a quick scalp for 7.25 points. So it got, a decent amount back there using a support area as the target. Basically, I actually used the 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart as the target. So I got one back. I got some back there. So I entered off my trigger candle, but I didn't do the whole 1.5 to 1 using the wick. I just used a support area for my target. Awesome. How is it, Jake? Up and down right now. So it got down to 68 and bounced again. Yeah, LEDs are pretty cool on the computers. I have them on mine too, but I don't really mess with them. My keyboard lights up with LEDs too. It's constantly doing this little rainbow pattern. We're popping up. Coming back down. Flashed purple for a second, but then retreated off the 20. We're sandwiching between the 20 and the 100 here. Monday, Tuesday, choppy days. Wednesday, Thursday, choppy days. It's trying to push up here. We're long. Go for 110.75. Seems a long way away. Long time, short time to get. How late do I get in there? 95 half, 90, only a point. Hey, Glitch, how you been doing? Well, it's not looking good either. Oh, there we go. I give up on trades too easily. That said, I really wish it just to start moving some green for me. I'm doing pretty good, Glitch. Thanks for asking. How's the trading been going? We haven't talked much lately. We do have that tiny bit of news coming up in 5 minutes. Still don't think it's going to move the market, but I could be wrong. Sounds good, Glitch. There we go. Now we're going in a positive direction. Break 100. Looking for 110. Yep, still now getting beaten back down. Oh, ouch. Big beat down. Got my hopes up there for a second. Let's hope it can again bounce off that 100 and the 20. Yep. Maybe. Have it show me some green here. That'd be nice. It's a nice wick. I like the wick on that last candle. Yep, this does not look good again. Nope, it just broke the 20 and the 100. 2 points of my stop. Wow, really? Got 2 ticks for my stop. Now it's still gonna try, but pull it back one more time. Love to see it bounce. Here it comes again. Ooh. Yeah, it used to be when YMES and then Q would all kind of run together. Oh yeah, YM's looking really good. And stopped out. So it gave back that last win. Nothing wants to go well today for show, for show. Actually, it's like it gave back worse than my last win. Gotta give back everything we got on Friday. That's the goal today. Can't have any forward progress. I wouldn't know what to do with that. That's not what I wanted. I want to get rid of that. Yep, doesn't look like that news is anything major. Chop. So we're in short off of that purple candle. If we take a stop on this, it'll be our last trade of the day because I'll be up near the daily loss limit. Hold on, let me get my target set, and then we'll show the chart. There we go. Target's 72. Can we get down there? 15 points. Yeah, blue candle, not a good sign. Yeah, YM, beautiful move up throughout the morning. Sure there's any perfect trigger candle there though. Think, wait, what? Ah, well, I just took a loss. Forgot to turn off the bot after I entered manually on that one. Maybe it saved me from a bigger loss. But now I'm done on this account for the day. I can't take another chance. I've totally given back everything from Friday. Down $800. You know what? Let's see if this totally screws me as it's coming back down. Yep, look at that. Remember my target was 72. Let's see if it hits it. See if that would have really helped the account. Yeah, target would have been hit if I hadn't screwed up by having the entry bot on and doing a manual entry. Now we're on the earn the trade account. See if we can get anything on that in the last 25 minutes. I can see how that would have worked. I just fall a new low a day. Wow. Okay, so was this news driven from that report? Let me go look at the numbers here. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index negative 23.4 and they expected negative 11. So it was a big miss, but I don't know if, this was from that report or this was just the 1030 reversal or, I mean, you can't even call it the 1030 reversal because we were coming down, pulled back a little bit, and then straight down. Nice, Crypticon. I'm sorry, it's not a new low of the day. I apologize. Low day or low of Globex was 13,014. But here's the interesting thing. Look how ES and NQ are different. NQ near its low of day. ES nowhere near its low of day. That is unusual. Oh, see if we can get anything for earn a trade here. A little bounce here. Got down to 25. Bounced up by 10. Looking at other assets to see what they would have done today. Beautiful blue candle there on soybeans. Beautiful red, purple candle off the 100 on corn. That would have been a beautiful trade down. Soybean was mixed. Soybean oil was mixed. Wow, look at the bounce on gold. Silver had a couple of nice blue candles. Wheat. Look at wheat. Wheat's been something I've been wanting to trade. This was the 740 candle. So right before it closed, and then it moved down. Could have been in right at the open on wheat. Could have got a nice trade. Then this purple candle, though, that was beautiful right there following this down. This one's too overextended. Wow, another purple candle. I do not have an entry bot turned on. Free falling. Is it going to break 13,000? Now we hit new low day, did we not? Yes, now we hit a new low day. Look at that hourly candle. 89 points down. ES down by 13. Blue candle. Trying to rise up off this blue candle. About 15 minutes to go in the stream. And folks, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It's kind of chopping around 13,020 here. Nice glitch, good job. I had a great Friday, gave it all back today. Which again screws with my constantly trailing drawdown. But to be fair, it would have screwed an end of day drawdown as well. Was that dramatic pause there between another and day planned, or what, did you just hit the enter button too quickly? Talking about grindy here. As the NQ grinds. Don't think it's going to give us another opportunity today. Thought it was going to grind up toward that 20, but now it's kind of fading back away from it. Just watching a grind here around 0.17. Trying to push back up. So after that huge move down quick, it's just kind of chopping now. So we ended up down $800 plus commissions today. I didn't look at how much commissions were. So it was 800 plus. I think I took 6 trades, so 6 times 4 is 24. Down 824. So I had to stop. Couldn't continue any further there because the daily loss limit's 1,000. And now the market just lost oomph. It's oompless. It finally got back up to the 20. It's sniffing it. Okay, so I did an experimental trade here at the end. So I think I've been looking at, it's on my earn to trade account, so I have leeway on this account because I'll get reset in a couple of days if I fail. Took the trade off this blue candle right here. I felt like we had come down, we were done here, and I took a trade looking for 10 points, or basically back up to the 20 EMA. And it grinded up and gave it to me. You can see I entered in at 13,021, hit target at 13,031. So the earn to trade account ends up being green on the day. That's the TCP. I don't need it. There's not a huge profit target on that. I've been kind of bounding back and forth on that one too. That trade gets me back up over green for the account. It's one I've been looking at. It's more, I like it better on the 5 minute, but it seemed to just glare at me there on the 1 minute, so I decided to try it. Since it's not the blue sky account, it's the main account I've been trying to work on. So I did move my after this blue candle here. I moved my stop up to there, to the bottom wick of that one. And I thought I was gonna get nailed when this came back down, but I like how that moves. Oftentimes after a big move, you're gotten far away from the moving averages and you see a blue candle, and it often works at least to get up to the 20. You can see it here on the 5 minute chart. I look at them on the 5. They're better on the 5. Let me turn back time and find one. This is kind of one, it's not the blue candle, but it's the other script. That's a perfect one going up. Get it far away from price. And sometimes they don't. This one here didn't work. Worked for a little bit, but this one here was perfect. Down into the bands and rising up. So that, I look for, haven't been trading that strategy at all, but I've been starting to mark it off. Here, this one's perfect. Down into the bands, far away from the moving averages, and you can see how nicely that bounced up. Here again, this one might not have worked. I mean, it did get up to the 20, so it did work. I don't know how much it was, but it worked. 77 up to 97, so 20 points. So that's it for today. Bad day on the Blue Sky account, but just got a nice win on the earn to trade. We'll be back at it tomorrow to try and recover what we lost. Well, we'll just try and keep executing our plan that says it works. I will, of course, look at today to see where I screwed up. Of course, there was 2 screw ups, and both of them were because of me using the entry bot. 2 big screw ups that cost me big. I took this blue candle here, got stopped out in the purple candle, forgot that if it stops out on a trigger candle, it does not take that trigger candle. So I missed this trade. So that was one trade I missed. And then, of course, I entered a trade manually here, and then the entry bot took this blue candle, which stopped me out of the trade I was in, nullified it for a loss. Then you can see this would have been a nice win. So, just some, mechanical mistakes there. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We will talk tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Bye, everyone. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.